Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I am back with the April Glossybox unboxing, and I received my box yesterday. So let's see what we've got inside. These are all the products I have received this month. As usual, we have the QR code and the theme of the month is Spring Awakening, so let's scan this. So this is what the magazine looks like. It goes onto the contents page, note from the editor, the story behind the box, and then it goes and tells us all of the products received, and then it goes on to some more articles. So the theme of the month is around spring cleaning and spring break, and this is the cover of the magazine. It is very nice and natural, and I really like how simple but effective it is. So the note from the editor states, "Hey Glossies, it's April and you know what that means. New month, new pink box landing on your doorstep. We have 5 amazing new products for you to dive into this spring season and some ultimate beauty treats to discover. With products from the brands such as Spectrum and Peter Thomas Roth, we have every beauty delight to help you give your beauty shelf an extra special reset this season." And then it goes on to Spring Awakening, the story behind the box. Elevate your spring skincare regime with Glossybox curated selection of products designed to an even and luminous complexion. As April blooms, it's time to refresh and rejuvenate your skin after the cool winter chill. Our second edit in our magazine Awakening campaign, this box is sure to have you renewing that sort after a glossy glow. Enhance the season with a carefully crafted regime featuring gentle face masks, creamy eyeshadows and lightweight face powders for a beauty routine tailored to the ultimate springtime glow. Let your skin blossom with Glossybox this April. So let's go into the unboxing. The first product we have received is the Oola Cream Eyeshadow, which is worth £8. This eyeshadow is in the shade PO2 Regal, and it's supposed to be a sponge-like, crease-free eyeshadow which is infused with luxurious pearl scent pigments to deliver a wheel of ultra-light, versatile colours in a light reflective shimmer finish that lasts all day long. So let's give this a swatch. So this is the colour it looks like. I'm just going to go in with my finger to swatch it. So, oh, it's nice and creamy. So it is nice and creamy, and it does have a really soft, smooth, velvety texture, and it glides on smoothly. So what I'm going to do is try it on my eyes, and I'm just going to try it on this eye here. I mean, I don't have a mirror to hand, but hopefully I do this correctly. I'm just going in with a tiny bit more. This is what it looks like on the eyes. It's actually quite a nice subtle colour to wear every day, and I do actually quite like the texture on this. It'll be interesting to see if it is crease free. I'm going to just try and rub this off, and it doesn't budge as easy. Like, you can still see it sitting there. What I do have is I have a little cloth here, so I'm just going to try and like rub it off with a cloth. So where it's lightly applied, it has smudged off a bit, but it hasn't smudged off that much, so the formula looks pretty good. Then we have the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask, which is worth £10.95. So this is a gel mask infused by cucumber. It helps with dehydrated and dry skin, and it makes it look a bit more nourishing. On here it states, refreshing, cooling, moisturising gel helps soothe the look of dry skin with cucumber extract. And then on the back it states, direction, applies a generous coat on clean skin, rinse after 10 minutes with cool water, use 2 to 3 times a week or daily, for external use only. And it is 14ml, so let's give it a little swatch. Oh, it's got this little casing on, so let's remove this. Oops. Pardon me. It doesn't really have a scent. I expected to smell like cucumber. But yeah, no, I definitely can't smell anything. So I'm just going to drop a little bit here, and then you can see what it looks like. So it's like a very jelly texture, I was expecting, and it is like a little green. So it's really smooth to apply, and it's like a combination of like Vaseline and oil. That's how the texture feels. So I applied it on here, and I'm just going to leave it on until the end of the tutorial. So let's see how that sits. Next we have the Spectrum Eye Brush, which is worth £8.50. So this is the Spectrum shade brush. It is in 840, and I'll give you a close up to see what it looks like. You can see it is a domed brush, so it's perfect to pack eyeshadow on. It is synthetic and it is quite dense. Finally we have the ISO Clean Brush Cleaner, which is worth £8. So this is the ISO Clean Brush Cleaner, which is 110ml. I already have one of these and I use them quite often. I think it is a very good product, and the way you use it is you get a cotton pad or a towel, you spray some on, and then you get your brush and you just start swirling your brush around and cleaning. And it's really good when you're trying to switch between shades. So if you're doing like an orange eye and then you want to use a blue, but you don't have exactly the same brush, you'll just spray a couple of pumps of this and then just take out the old colour. So for example, if you're using orange to blue, take out the orange, and then when you apply the blue one, you'll see there's no colour transfer. So it is really good to clean, and it's a must-have in your makeup kit. Now I'll give you a demonstration on how this works. We do have the perfect box, so we do have an eyeshadow, brush and a cleaner. So what I'm going to do is, as I applied eyeshadow with my fingers on this, I'm going to take the shadow and apply it on my left eye using the brush, and then we can clean out the brush using this. So taking this eyeshadow, and I'm just taking this brush and dabbing it like so. That's a decent amount of pigment to pack onto my eyelid, so let's give it a go. Like so, I've dusted a fair amount and I've still got some product excess left. So what I'm going to do is take a cotton pad like so and spray some of this product. I've already got a bottle, so I don't really want to open this, so I'm just going to try and quickly get my old bottle and demonstrate. So this is my old bottle. You can tell I've used it quite a bit. So I'm just going to take a couple of pumps on here, like so, and then taking the side that I've actually used, and then we'll just show you like so on how I clean the product. So I just take a patting motion and a swiping motion to pat it onto the cotton pad, and this is the cleanliness of the brush, and you can see all that excess product has come off. Finally, we have the loose mineral powder, which is worth $16.60. This is a mineral bronzing powder from Bellapierre. It is in the shade FB002 Star Shine, and on the back it states, "Our mineral bronzer features a silky smooth powder formula that adds a healthy sun-kissed glow to any complexion, and it's suitable for all skin type and conditions." Now, I've never used a mineral bronzer, so I'll be interested to see how it turns out. So I'm just going to try and swatch a tiny bit and open it up. It's like, I mean, I've done a really bad job here, but this, you can see what it looks like here. So I'm going to take a small amount and kind of apply it on my hands here. So I've gone ahead and pat it on here with my fingers, and you can see it does give you a nice shimmer and a bronzing look. And I think this will be great for summer when you don't want to wear heavy blush or heavy bronzer. If you just apply a bit of this mineral bronzer on, you get a nice flush of bronze colour on your cheek, and it is very like natural with a bit of shimmer, so when the light hits on that, it'll be really nice and reflecting. So I do look forward to trying this out in the sun. And this brings me to the end of my tutorial. These are all the products I have received this month. On the Glossybox website it states it's worth over £50, and I come to a sum of £52.05, so it's definitely worth more than what they've stated on the website. Now, is it value for money? I think it's a really good box. I think you have a good combination of stuff. So you have some makeup, something to apply your makeup on, something to clean your brushes with, and you have a mask. So I think it's a really nice starter box, and I think some of the products are pretty good. For example, I'm really liking the eyeshadow. The Eyeshadow Clean Brush Cleaner is quite handy to have as well, and there's some like little new products in there that I've never tried, which I look forward to trying out. If you do also have a subscription or have Glossybox and receive the product, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and show some love in the comments box. Now, take care for now, and I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!